That's what I get for doing so many dabs. I loosened this. I thought I loosened this. I was trying to raise it, and I just popped the top off. I guess I'm finally gonna have to do my silicone and put the silicone everywhere and really get the floors. Oh, Amber, what are you still mad about? Leonidas, where's your face, bro? Oh man, what happened? No. There's Leonidas stencil. So that's not coming off. I was wondering if I should paint this wall or just cover it with more stencils. I'm just gonna take everything off, move this, paint it, then do the silicone, and then wipe it. Hey man, sometimes things pop up and you just gotta do what you just gotta do. You know, sometimes you gotta get done. We gotta take these off, we gotta take these plates off. All we gotta do is just use some masking tape, tape right up here, step on this, put the towel down, tape it up. Alright, so I'm using a razor to scrape this shit off right here. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these screws to tighten these so it's solid. Then we're gonna put on the silicone before we paint. We're also gonna use the silicone for all the holes in the walls to let them dry. Now, if you notice, this is overlapping, so I'm gonna find something to break this, and then we're also gonna use silicone to kind of fill this, tighten that, use silicone to kind of fill that. Eventually, we'll paint over these moldings, but right now we're just doing it to paint the wall. Respect, now it's the power. Alright, we got this kind of fixed up. We taped those up. We're actually gonna paint over it first, and then silicone it. So we got our paint set up, we got a towel set up. We're gonna just start hitting this. So we do actually need to hit this. You see these little holes where there were screws and stuff like that? We do gotta push some silicone in there. Come on, go, go, go. I know a lot of people see it as not classy or lame or whatever to paint over these, but I actually like to, because what it does, it kind of does a contrast, you see, once this is on, because it'll be the color of the wall. I don't think it's cool to paint over this and that. Alright, taking the last of these screws out. One thing I noticed is I put the mirror here. It used to be right there for now, and I actually like it. I'm thinking about, like, if I'm sitting here, the whole client's perspective is, like, I leave that open so the client feels like they can escape, no light, and that actually makes me feel more space. Literally scraped the last of the paint. So finally, God, this was a hella side quest, right? Just for that spill. Still gotta clean the floors. Oh my God, and do the silicone. God damn.